Abigail. Look at you. Look at that. Ooh.
You stuck?
Do you want
I think
down?
she's scared.
Oh. Say hi.
I
Hello.
do.
Hello. No, say I don't want up there anymore. Say hello. I have no pants on. You gonna take pictures?
Pick up our view.
That is pretty funny. Say bye-bye.
Get our view.
Bye-bye. Here's our view. Here's our room. I was supposed to show the room. Here's our view. It's hard with the sun.
The sun went behind that building.
There we go. Our view of downtown Atlanta. That's right.
Oh, you messed it up. Smile. Huge.
Oh, you posing. Say bye-bye.
Who's that?
Yeah.
That's Abigail.
I mean,